In my initial video, I showed how you could use TLDR to look up something in Linux instead of using the man page. But in this video, I'm going to show you another Linux tool that I know you are going to appreciate. For example, when you want to check what is taking up disk space on your Linux, you usually use DU. When you use DU, as you can see, this is very, very difficult to understand or to know what is going on. But there is another Linux tool which I spoke about that I'm going to introduce to you now. So as you can see, none of this makes sense, right? Now, the tool I'm talking about is NCDU. Now let's hit enter. When you use this command, it's going to scan your entire Linux system. Looking at this, you can easily tell what is taking what space. As you can see, this download folder is taking all this big space, that 1.8 GB, as you can see. The desktop is taking up this space. So this is very easier to understand. So like I said, DU is very helpful, but it's very difficult to understand. But with this tool, you can easily understand what is going on, right? Depending on what you want to analyze, you could also choose a particular folder or path. So as you can see, we chose the var folder. Now it is scanning it. After scanning it, it's going to show you the contents. It's going to show you the amount of space it is occupying. So now, in order to get out of this screen, you just hit the letter Q. Sometimes you might want to scan the entire system. In this case, you need sudo. Now, let me add this and then put in a password. So this will take a couple of seconds in order to complete. So what will happen is that it's going to take its time and analyze the entire system and then show you what, show you the status of the disk space. Now, after scanning the entire system, now you can see the contents and the sizes of the files and folders that it contains, making it easier for you to troubleshoot the issue you are encountering and know what to delete and what to what to leave off. Within this short period of time, you have seen the way NCDU works. Just imagine if you wanted to use DU, for example, as we've always done. So let me hit enter. Now, none of these things make sense, or this even makes some sense. Let me just use DU alone, for example, as most people use. Again, we have seen this before. It's very difficult to kind of understand what's going on, unlike what we used earlier, right? Now, if you want to see more information or more details about this temp folder, for example, you can just hit enter. If you want to go back, you use the backspace. If you wanted to get more information about this very command, for example, all you need is the question mark. As you can see, it kind of describes or explains everything to you. So when you are done, you press the letter Q immediately. When you want to leave this very screen, you press the letter Q again. It goes out of the screen. Now, NCDU has different flags that you could use in order to make using it even more easier for you. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some of the about 10 different shortcuts that you could use in order to make it easier. The reason is that I want this very video to be very short. So remember to check the other video in the description in order to see the flags that you could use. Another very interesting feature that I love most about this very tool is that it also has this very command which you could use in order to save this the output or the command that you run. So what happens is that when next you want to run the same command, you don't need to go back and try to type everything out again. You just run the same command that you ran earlier. So now with this very command, let me hit enter. Now everything is saved. The next thing I could do when I want to run this next time is just to go there and change this to letter F. So what happens is that you don't need to retype everything again as we do when you use the DU. Now let me hit enter. So whenever I want to run this very command, that's all that I need to do. I just go there and run the same command. So like I said, watch the next video in order to see other features of this very tool, which I know you are going to love. So let me know if you love this tool, subscribe, and tell me what you think about it. Thank you.